November 2022, Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh, a place known for its rich wildlife, became the scene of a disturbing incident. The death of an elephant was discovered. But what followed was not a routine investigation. It was a cover up that shocked everyone. Welcome to Indian Masterminds. I'm Muskan Khandelwal and you're watching Bureaucracy This Week, where we bring you crucial stories about Indian bureaucracy. Today, we will explore a troubling incident at Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, a case that raised serious questions about responsibility, accountability, and the actions of those entrusted with protecting our wildlife. On November 24, 2020, a local resident found the decomposing carcass of an elephant deep within the Panpata range of Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. What should have triggered an immediate response instead marked the beginning of a disturbing sequence of events. Forest guard Kamla Prasad Kaul, the first official to be informed, reported the discovery to his superior range officer Sheel Sindhu Srivastav. Shockingly, instead of initiating an investigation, Srivastav instructed Kaul to leave the carcass as it was. For an entire month, the carcass remained abandoned, left to decay, as those responsible for the forest protections turned a blind eye. When Kaul informed Range Officer Srivastav a month later that the remains had deteriorated to almost nothing, Srivastav's response was even more shocking. He ordered the remains to be burned. For 3 days, the carcass was set aflame, attempting to erase any trace of the elephant. But one thing remained: the evidence. A worker, Dinesh Kaul, took a photo of the burning carcass, a photo that would later reveal the entire cover-up. The photo went viral, catching the attention of wildlife activist Ajay Dubey, who filed a formal complaint accusing the forest officials of gross negligence and a deliberate attempt to cover up the elephant's death. In February 2023, an initial investigation led by the Special Task Force and the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau uncovered a fragment of bone with the assistance of a dog squad. Despite this, senior officials initially denied any evidence of an elephant's death or the subsequent burning. As the investigation intensified, Range Officer Sheel Sindhu Srivastav admitted to ordering the burning of the remains. He cited personal issues at home, claiming that his judgment was impaired. The Special Task Force and Wildlife Crime Control Bureau argued that the personal problems cannot excuse such negligence. The Wildlife Protection Act is clear. Section 39 prohibits the destruction of government property, including wildlife, without the written permission of the Chief Wildlife Warden. Section 50 empowers authorities to inspect any animal articles or trophies in a personal possession. The Forest Department took decisive action once the cover-up was uncovered. In February 2024, the Chief Conservator of Forest and the Field Director of Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, Prakash Verma, suspended Range Officer Sheel Sindhu Srivastav for his gross negligence and dereliction of duty. While speaking with Indian Masterminds, Mr. Prakash Verma said the incident occurred deep within the forest, which made it difficult to detect. However, the actions taken by the responsible officers were inexcusable. We suspended Range Officer Srivastav and 2 forest guards, Kamla Prasad Kaul and Pushpendra Nath, as soon as we confirmed their involvement. 2 laborers involved in the burning of the carcass had their contracts terminated immediately. Despite these actions, Srivastav was briefly reinstated before being suspended again on July 12, 2024, as the case moved to a local court in Satna. The charges against the involved officials include violations under Section 39 and 50 of the Wildlife Protection Act. The legal process is ongoing, with the charges against the officials carrying serious implications. The Forest Department has made it clear that such negligence will not be tolerated, and they are committed to enforcing stricter protocols moving forward. This incident has left a dark mark on the Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, a place once celebrated for its thriving wildlife. The elephant's death, shrouded in mystery, whether due to natural cause or poaching, will likely never be fully understood. All that remains are the charred bones and scattered ashes hidden deep within the forest. As the case moves forward in court, it serves as a clear example of the need for accountability and importance of duty. The forest, its wildlife, and the people who protect it deserve nothing less. Now let's take a look at the news for this week. Nalin Prabhat appointed as new Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police. In a major administrative shift, Senior IPS Officer Nalin Prabhat has been appointed as the new Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police, effective October 1st. He will succeed IPS Officer R.R. Swain, who is set to retire on September 38th. This appointment follows the Ministry of Affairs' decision to curtail Officer Prabhat's tenure as the Director General of the National Security Guard (NSG). A 1992 batch officer from the Andhra Pradesh cadre, Prabhat brings over 12 years of experience serving in various capacities within the Jammu and Kashmir Police. Govind Mohan named as India's new Union Home Secretary. In a significant pre-Independence Day announcement, the appointment committee of the cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appointed Govind Mohan, a 1989 batch IS officer of the Sikkim cadre, as the new Union Home Secretary of India. Mr. Mohan, currently serving as the Secretary in the Ministry of Culture, will initially assume the role of Officer on Special Duty in the Ministry of Home Affairs. He is set to take over as Home Secretary from Ajay Kumar Bhalla, a 1984 batch IS officer from the Assam Meghalaya cadre, upon the completion of Bhalla's extended tenure on August 22, 2024. Rahul Naveen appointed Director of Enforcement Directorate. The appointment committee of the cabinet has confirmed the appointment of Rahul Naveen, a 1993 batch IRS officer, as the new Director of Enforcement Directorate. Mr. Naveen, who currently serves as Special Director at the ED, will succeed Sanjay Kumar Mishra, an IRS officer from the 1984 batch. His appointment is seen as a key move in the continued efforts to strengthen the agency. Thank you for watching Bureaucracy this week. We hope this story has shed light on the importance of vigilance and responsibility in safeguarding our natural heritage. If you found this episode informative, please like, share and subscribe to Indian Masterminds. See you next week with more stories that matter.